socks in my closet, car rug next to my bed, but I'll sleep on a futon instead. My DVD player doesn't work, left with a tie, fly TIE fighters, and a worn out guitar pick in my hand. I really want Mexican food, even though you don't think it's all that good. And she says I need a haircut, and I think I agree. There's a 3-year-old pizza stain on my ceiling. And Arizona, here I come. Don't know where you'll get your tea from. And Arizona, here I come. I don't know where you'll get your tea from. They never said your van was red. Even got my bike on the back. Left my trash can in the garage, and only 4 drinks left in my fridge. And Arizona, here I come.